Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make these stacked sweatpants. They've been trending a lot online lately, and then I decided to look up the price and I was not feeling it. So knowing me, I just decided to make it on my own, and I feel like it came out pretty good. And I made a matching sweat top. So if you like, please continue to watch, and here we go. Okay, so here are some things you're gonna need. You're gonna need a pair of sweatpants, a pair that's smaller than the first pair, a sweat top that's optional if you want to make a matching top, a pair of scissors, and also a sewing machine or a hand needle, which you can sew and use a matching thread to match the sweat. Also some pins so you can hold your hems together. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna start off by taking the larger size pants, and the reason why we needed two sizes is because the smaller size is gonna go towards the bottom. That's gonna be our stacked effect. So now we're just gonna take the bottom of our sweatpants and cut off the elastic. Some pants don't have that elastic. Sometimes they have that wide band. That's totally fine. I just didn't want my elastic on the bottom, so I just cut it off. But do whatever makes you feel good. Now we're gonna take the second pair, and then we're just gonna do the same, but we're gonna cut off the leg. So this leg part I'm gonna cut off, and that's gonna be the bottom part for our first pair of pants as a stack, if that makes sense. So this is gonna be our stacking effect, and we're just gonna cut off the elastic as well on this one too. So now we're just gonna attach the bottoms to the first pair of pants. So by doing that, you're just gonna take the leg part and we're just gonna flip it inside out. So both of the outers are facing each other. So when we sew it, it'll be on its right side. And if your sweatpants have hems, be sure to line up the hem so it gives it a nice, clean, professional look. We want to make these sweatpants look like we bought it out the store, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. Line them up really nice. Take some pins if you need to. If you don't have any pins, that's okay. Take some pins and have it nice and lined up. If you guys do not know how to sew in a sewing machine, please do not use the sewing machine. You can easily do this with needle and cotton as well. Please and thank you. So this is why I told you guys to line up the seams, because look, it looks nice and clean. So now we're gonna put on the sweatpants and see what needs improvement. So keep in mind, it is sweatpants, so they're not gonna be tight. If you purchase women's sweatpants, they might be more fitted. These are actually big kids, so they're kind of like loose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bring in the legs of the sweatpants so it looks more feminine and it gives it more of a shape. You're more than welcome to just purchase sweatpants that's actually really fitted, but for me, I decided to get a looser pair because I didn't know what aesthetic I wanted to go for yet. But seeing that, you know, I had the vision that it looked better if it was very fitted, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm not a professional, so I'm just pinning the sides. Like I said, I do what makes do, but here I am sewing the sides, bringing in the side of my pants just to make it fit more snug. So far, I am absolutely loving them so far. So I'm just gonna put them on again and adjust to what I like, you know, seeing how I like it, if I needed to bunch more, if I want the knees to come in more, but I personally felt comfortable and it looked perfect to me. So now all we gotta do is just hem the bottom to give it more of a clean, professional look. So we're just gonna single hem these. Feel free to double hem them, but I didn't want to take away too much length from the sweatpants, so I just hemmed it once. Also, you can trim it. If it's too long, you can make it shorter. I find in making things longer, later on you can make it shorter, but if it's too short, you can't really go back and fix it. So I'm just pinning the hem, so when I'm ready to sew it, it'll be nice and clean and straight, and you know, just gotta take out the pins as I go.
chuki got the sauce, bitch.
So this part is totally optional. If you want to make a matching top, just get a sweat top, and then we're going to cut around the neck to make it off the shoulder. This part you can do anything you want, have fun with it, be free. You could cut off the bottom, make it crop. I just wanted to do it off the shoulder and just keep the regular length. I didn't want it to be too crazy, but you know, have fun with it, make it your own, and we're all done. So the next time you guys see something trending online and you don't want to purchase it, definitely have fun with it and DIY it. Get the materials and just have fun with it, you know. I definitely have fun making this tutorial and definitely making this DIY stag pants, and you can definitely style it however you want. I did it with some sneakers, you know, with a cute little purse, you know, something real calm, or you could do it with some heels, you know. You want to go out girls night, or if you're on a cute date, something calm, nothing too crazy. But I definitely enjoyed making this, and I definitely plan on wearing this soon somewhere when quarantine is over. But I had so much fun. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.
They really fucked up when I found out my worth. I just leveled up and I doubled my worth. I bake on my bank and I'm back in my berg. I'm back in my woo. I bake on my bank and I'm back in my berg. I bake on my bank and I'm back on the works. I'm in the